In this guide, I'll show you how to clip on Windows using the NVIDIA app. So you first just need to head over to an internet browser, and we need to make sure we have the NVIDIA app installed. So just head over to a search engine and type in NVIDIA app, download, head over to the top search result, this NVIDIA download app, and then you can just download the official app from this link here. Once you have the NVIDIA app installed, we're going to launch up the application. From the left-hand side, come down to Settings, and in the Overlay section, make sure you have NVIDIA Overlay enabled. And then we can press the Alt and Z key on our keyboard to bring up the overlay. First thing you need to do is come down to Instant Replay and select this, and then you need to turn off Instant Replay. Come down to Configure Video Capture and select the settings. Adjust the Instant Replay length to your personal preference. I'd recommend setting this to around about 2 minutes. Obviously, you can decrease or increase this if you'd rather. Come down to Output Format, and we're going to change the quality to Custom. Make sure the resolution is set to in-game. And for frame rate, I'd recommend 60 FPS if you have a low-end PC. If you have a faster computer, you can turn this up to 120 FPS. For bitrate, I'd recommend keeping this between 40 to 50 for high-end PCs. If you are running a slightly slower system, you may want to consider reducing this to around 25. Then press the back arrow, and then you want to turn back on Instant Replay. Click on Back once again, come down to Highlights, and we're just going to turn off Capture Highlights. This feature isn't really necessary, so we can come back out of here. Come over to the settings icon in the top right-hand side, come down to Audio, and you just want to make sure audio is turned up to 100%. Down in the microphone section, this is where we can select our microphone. I'd recommend keeping the volume to around about 90%. For audio tracks, you can choose to either keep this single or multiple tracks. I'd recommend choosing separate tracks, and that way your system sounds and your microphone are going to be separated out onto 2 different audio tracks. If you don't mind everything being on the same track, then of course you can just select single. Then come back out of this window, head over to Files and Disk Space, click on Gallery Location, and from here you can choose where to save your clips. By default, it's just saved under your user profile underneath the videos and underneath the NVIDIA folder. You can change this if you want these to be saved in a different location. Then come back out of the gallery location, come back again, head over to shortcut controls at the very top here, and then scroll down to the record section. Right at the bottom, you'll see save last 2 minutes recorded. Now this number may look slightly different to you depending on the number that you set earlier. And this is the hotkey we're going to use to create our clips. By default, this is set to Alt plus F10, but you can adjust this to something easier to use. Again, this all comes down to personal preference. Once you finish setting up your hotkeys, we can come back out of this window. Head back once again, come over to Gallery, and this is where you'll see a history of all of your recorded gameplay clips. So at the moment, I don't have anything inside of here because I haven't recorded anything. But when you do record something, it will end up in this folder here. And that's it, guys. That's how you clip using the NVIDIA app. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.